Hi, this is Chris from 3dmapper.com. In this video, I want to show you how to embed your own interactive 3D map on your WordPress website in under 30 minutes. You'll be able to place pins and elements on your 3D map and associate them with informative pop-ups containing text, images, and links. All you need to do is register on 3dmapper.com and install the 3dmapper WordPress plugin on your website. For this tutorial, I've created a demo WordPress website where I want to embed the 3D map. So let's get started. First, we need a 3D map. If you haven't already, register on 3dmapper.com and switch to the dashboard view. Click on a new map to create a new 3D map. To find the desired location, you can drag the map around or enter the name in the search. For this demo, I want to create a fictional 3D map of Silvaplana in Switzerland. Zoom in on the desired location. Choose the surface texture for your 3D map. I want a realistic texture and select Satellite View. Select an appropriate map area and mark it with the selection rectangle. Once satisfied, click Create 3D Map. The creation process may take several minutes depending on server load and internet connection. The 3D map is created. Now you can start customizing your 3D map. First, give it a suitable name and save changes regularly. The order in which you customize your map is entirely up to you. You can also close the map and continue at another time. Find your unfinished maps in the dashboard under your Maps and then Projects. Lighting settings and many other options like map surface texture, backgrounds, water animation, and map rotation can be changed and adjusted later in the WordPress plugin on your website. Next, we'll position some pins, elements, and markers on the map. We have a wide selection of 3D objects for this. Currently, the elements are categorized into pins, buildings, transport, and nature. Let us know if any important elements are missing. We'll gradually add more. A note, be sparing with the number, as too many elements can impact loading time and performance for your visitors. To place a marker with text on the map, select the location with the small red ball, enter the text, and choose a font color. You can use the same principle to place elements on the map. Select the location and choose an element. With the color picker, you can change the color of almost all elements. You can rotate, scale, and delete the element. You can edit the elements at any time. Just select the respective element. Next, let's add more content to the map using pop-ups. You can assign a pop-up to each element containing an image, text, and a link in the form of a button. Since I don't know anything about Silvaplana, I'll research some information from the internet. The content of the 3D map in this tutorial is fictional, but can also include some real data. First, select the respective element on the map. Click on the small pencil icon to create a pop-up. A preview of the pop-up is also possible. To add an image to the pop-up, simply enter the URL. I have already uploaded some example images to the WordPress media library. A bit more information in the form of text is essential. Note, only unformatted text is currently possible. Now, add a link. The pop-up title, when a link URL is inserted, is also the button title. So, it shouldn't be too long. The link opens in a new browser window, keeping the user on your page. I will now repeat this process, uncommented, for additional elements. Once the map is to your satisfaction, you can download it with a map credit. The map is now in your downloads, and you can export it in various formats such as GLTF, OBJ, STL, or as high-res images or an embed set. To embed the map on the WordPress website, we now need the 3D Mapper plugin. You can download the plugin for free after purchasing at least the ECO map credit set, allowing you to download 5 maps. First, download the WordPress plugin and unzip it with a decompression tool, for example, the free 7-zip. Now, go to your WordPress backend and install the plugin. Go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Click Upload Plugin, browse to the unpacked zip file. Select it, and click Install Now. Now, activate the plugin, and the installation is complete. You'll find the 3D Mapper plugin in the left menu column. To import your 3D maps, connect the plugin to your 3D Mapper account. Simply copy the access token from the 3dmapper.com website. Then, paste the access token into the plugin settings and click Save Changes. Click on Add 3D Map. Here, you'll see all your maps. Choose the map you want to insert and click Import Map. The map is now imported, and you can continue editing as desired. Maybe add a map rotation to draw attention to the interactive content immediately. You can also make further changes and add additional content. If you want to change the pop-ups of your pins later, no problem. Note, if you delete all content from the fields, you also delete the element from the map. Once you've completed all changes, don't forget to save. To embed the map on a page, just copy the 3D map ID and paste it into a text field on a page. Done. Your first 3D map is now visible on your website. You can embed the map into any text field. Here's a small example of a map with a transparent background. For this, I'm using a pre-made module from this free Colibri theme. The example image is inappropriate. A simple gradient will do for now. The map needs more space. To fill the module with the map, adjust the stage size. Go back to the plugin and the map. 600 pixels in height should fit. Also, the map should have no background. Note, the position where the map is saved is the position where it will load on the website. The map is now on the website without a background. The background can now be changed. I've prepared a background image. I brightened the original and added a bright gradient in the middle. This makes the map easily visible. Okay, I'm satisfied with the result. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe got inspired to create your own 3D map. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping!